We're back and we're going to be working on our next Reno adventure, which is to finish painting the 3 rooms upstairs and the staircase. I picked out paint for that. When we first moved into this house about 3 years ago, we took up all the carpet, threw it out. It was dingy, old. This house was built in 1950. I think the rug was from like 1970. We took it all up, threw it out, and said we're gonna do hardwood throughout the house, doing like throw rugs and just kind of living with, until we decided what flooring we wanted to put up here. My husband, from day one, kept saying, why don't we just carpet upstairs? And I was like, I don't know if I want carpet. You know, like vacuuming under the bed is my biggest thing. There's so much dust. There's, you know, like all this stuff that can happen with carpet. I don't want to have to worry about it. And every so often, he would bring it up. Why don't we do carpet upstairs? It's really cold in the winter. It'll be nice. It'll be something, you know, cushy to walk on, and it'll keep the upstairs a little warmer. No, I don't want carpet. Today we bought carpet for the upstairs. So the upstairs is gonna have the 3 bedrooms, the hallway, and the stairs going down are all gonna be carpeted. They're coming in a couple of days to measure, and then 2 days after that, they're installing. We still have to do a little bit of painting, and we have to move all the furniture out now, because originally we were thinking, well, we're gonna do it. So as he's doing each room, because my husband was gonna do the flooring, as he's doing each room, we just move everything out. He does the flooring, we put everything in, go to the next room. Well, now we don't have that option because they're coming. So the plan is to get everything out that we possibly can, either downstairs or move it into the closets, because the closets are going to be different. They're not going to have the carpeting in it. We're going to try to push as much stuff in there as we can. Everything else we're going to take apart and bring downstairs, so that when they come, they can just lay all the rug down, 1, 2, 3, and then we can bring all the furniture back up. So are you ready for this one? It's going to be a couple days. Now the hard work begins. Let's start moving everything where it has to go. Disassembling, shoving things in corners and closets, and getting everything ready, painted, and cleaned up for the carpet. Yay!
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. And see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright.
Okay, here's the end of day one. A lot of the baseboards and framework and everything is done. So all the white is pretty much finished. I may have to touch up a little bit here and there. Decided to paint this wall. Might do a light gray if I have enough paint. But tomorrow we have to sand all this down. This is the paint that I tried from the hallway in here. Or I should say from the stairwell. And then this is the same patch just to see what it would look like here. We still have all the window area to do. This is first coat. Finally, the staircase is painted. Matt is finishing up the ceiling part. But I think, all in all, I like this color. At first, I was a little bit nervous about it, but I think I like it. We'll see it in the daylight because it's nighttime now. Day 2, here we go. Today we're going to be sanding some of the patches that we have on the walls and on the windows. We have all that trim done. Look at how full that closet is. And this is all the patchwork that has to be sanded down before we paint. And I decided to paint this like a light gray and just put that on here. Here is how the stairwell walls came out. Right? Really nice. I really like the color. I like the way it came out. It's like a grayish blue. It's called Olympus White. Let's turn this light off and see what, oh, it's a little too dark. You can't really see it with the light off. But that's all the light that comes in during the day. We still have to, my husband has to get a ladder to get to those corners over there. But yeah, we're gonna do another coat on here.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Okay, the day has arrived. The stairs are all ready. Took everything down from them. Some of it was sanded. The hallway is now painted. Look at how pretty. This will be carpet. This will be carpet. Look how nice that came out. And you know what I did? Well, you know what I did. I decided to paint that wall as well. So now it's all painted the same color. We have this area ready and we have the heater going because he said he wants it to be at least 70 for the carpet to go down well. So hot flashes, here I come. And the first room they're gonna start in is this room, which is all empty and freshly painted. Oh my gosh, our backs are killing us. We took the shelves down that were in the corner. We're gonna put them back up. But this I'm leaving with the colors that were actually in this room. So this is the purple that was originally on this back wall. But I'm gonna leave this purple in here and the green on this wall, and only this wall is keeping the green. Everything else is this color. This wall I left green because it goes right into the cubby. Let's see. Let's venture into the other ones. So the bedroom is disheveled. Everything is pretty much taken out except for the mattress, this rug, and the bed frame from the other bed and the door. And then when they're finished with this room, we will put all the stuff that we have up here on this floor into this room. It's big, everything will fit in there. The bed, my desk, all that stuff. The bathroom is also full of stuff. Just put everything we could in here. And then this is the office. I already took everything off the shelves. Everything is ready to be moved. They should be here in an hour.